Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at one of our favorite trade setups, and that's the Trend Reversal Breakout. And here's how that works. This is a chart of the ES this morning, and it was in an uptrend at this time, and then it moved to a downtrend. We started making lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we make this pivot right here. It's not a higher pivot high, because our previous pivot high was up here, but it's a pivot. Price moves down, and right in here is when we come into the room. We start getting these reversal bars, and we realize that, hey, we have a trend reversal breakout setting up if this price closes above this previous pivot right here, which was at 29.8425. So right now we have a pivot with a potential higher pivot low, and if we were to break this previous pivot right here, we would then have a higher pivot high, moving us into an uptrend. So we want to confirm just what the probabilities of this trade might be, and one of the ways we do that is off our higher time frame charts. So we take a look at our 240-minute chart, and at that particular time we're making a nice bottoming tail right here on this bar, and this bar is moving up. It would trigger this previous bar above 29.8475, which is just a couple ticks above the pivot on our Renko chart. We pull our 30-minute chart over, take a look at it, see what's happening there. And at that time, we had triggered a bear flag earlier in the night, and it was starting to actually become a failed bear flag. That flag would fail above 29.8425, which is also the pivot on our Renko chart. We were on this bar at that time, came up, was moving higher. So we have pretty good confidence that if we do end up triggering this, that it's going to move in our direction. Sure enough, price comes up, moves above our previous pivot here. We enter at 29.8450, and we start heading to the upside. Didn't really take any serious heat on this trade. It was a little slow developing, but it just kept going up and up and up. No real pullbacks. Little tiny one right here just gave us a place to trail our stop, put it right under that wick, and it just kept moving up through the morning. Able to take 10 full S&P points off in this trade, which was $500 per contract. So a relatively stress-free $500 per contract trading the S&P.